Picking up the years I'll leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of the town I loved, but oh, it changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away? Moved a few times but ended up in Nashville. Tried to settle my restless soul. Got a job that felt like forever when I met you. You made me happy, we danced through the night. Life was music and I was your wife. Time flies and the years went by, still I tried. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but
So, this is totally embarrassing, but I'm putting my laundry in the laundry machine, and there's still like clean laundry from last time. That's embarrassing. But we'll continue, and I only have one load, so this is gonna be a quicker vlog. Anyways.
this house I leave is nothing like
I think I'm just gonna have to call this laundry routine like a hot mess, because that's way too much soap. And I don't even know how to get it out, so I don't know what to do. Leave in the comments below what to do.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
So I put all the clothes in the dryer that I was going to dry, and I put everything that I was going to hang up on top, and then I remembered that I like to just throw the clothes I'm gonna hang up in the dryer for like a minute, just to give it a bit of like a, I don't know, like de-wrinkle. So I'm gonna hang these clothes up now. I just put the other clothes that need to dry in the dryer, and then we wait again.
But feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside, writing down all the things that I miss, and in the letters you take form. No, I won't go back tonight with a habit to the restless me. I'm leaving all that stuff behind. We can start all over in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing. I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You see, you make everything. I'm the first one to get off at the station. There's something in the air that I can't place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark. It's like time has stood still. I'm gonna hold you tighter this time around. Now feeling like I need to escape. The world outside only made me numb, 'cause I just wanna be here in our hometown, running free. It could be everything that
Now that the laundry is all done, I'm just gonna start by putting it away. So I'm just hanging up what I have to hang up, and then I'm going to put my pajamas away and underwear, and then I'm gonna put away my pants. And that's basically it.
you make everything. It's just like the saying, you don't know what you got till it's gone. But now I know in my hometown, running free. It could be everything that we were chasing.
So I hope you all enjoyed that laundry routine. I know it was a little bit silly and mundane, but anyways, that's just the laundry routine, and those videos seem to do the best on here, so I thought I would kick off kind of like I'm back with the laundry routine. So anyways, if you like that, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.